welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rombai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Singing competition promotes cleanliness in Mairang. KSU Nongpo unit advocates for job transparency. Catholic Youth Association holds annual general meeting. And Ranikor farmers struggle with wild elephant attacks. And now the news in detail. On September 30th, 2024, the district Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, Mairang, organized a vibrant singing competition at the PHE Conference Hall celebrating the Swachhta Hi Seva 2024 initiative. The event aimed to raise awareness about cleanliness and environmental protection among local youth. Participants showcased their talents with Ida Lamlinti Wajri from Lomsoklor securing first place. Prangshai Rani and Yai Shanlang Nongbri from Nongbri earned second, while Sita Mary Khar Maulong from Domaulom claimed third. The winners received cash prizes and certificates from the organizers, highlighting the community's commitment to a cleaner environment. The competition successfully united participants in a celebration of music and a shared vision for a sustainable future.
Let's keep our world clean for the dream we dream. With every small step, we can heal and protect. Love the earth we share. Show her that we can. Together we won't stand.
On September 30th, 2024, leaders and members of the KSU Nongpo unit distributed informative booklets to students and the public aimed at advocating for job appointments within the state government. This initiative is part of the KSU's broader goal to ensure transparency and accountability in government departments. Members of the publicity cell actively engaged with local schools and residents, emphasizing the importance of fair hiring practices. The distribution of these booklets not only informs the community about the KSU's objectives, but also rallies support for their demand for a cleaner and more transparent job appointment process. The effort reflects the commitment of the KSU to promote good governance and opportunity for the youth in the region. The Catholic Youth Association of Sejle convened its annual general meeting on September 28th and 29th at St. Francis Church, featuring Dr. Ibashisha Konkar as the chief guest. The event began with an inauguration led by Dr. Konkar alongside church leaders including Ba Ben Rowell Hasha and Reverend Sister Francis. Youth participants engaged in various activities including basketball, maupon, musical chairs, penalty shootouts and tug of war. The talent show on the first day highlighted local talent with James Kraubok Karlingdo as the chief guest. The meeting concluded with a speech by Ba Apollinus Yaupnyao and a discussion on Christian leaders and the value of time, followed by a joyful Holy Mass conducted by Reverend Father Carmel.
Don't go to bed. I make a cup of coffee for your man. I get you out to go out of.
George, guys, kami jadi Samla, hidup kami jadi modal di baladan mana tu deh, hari Khubor, saya play di ulangi Khubor, deh, hari Khubor, sekitin sesuatu orang kumba play ulang hak ini, hey, ulang hak karo kasap, ini tuh baru, nak jadi kalawan kerja hey, itu hari kasap kau play ulang, repun punangi. Kalau orang kami yang memasang ini suatu yang kata kasap boleh ayah ini. Dan rey hidup temau, boleh ayah kasap kong hangi widiway. Bat kadai kamram jungi, bangin pentau yang kasap boleh ayah hangi widiway. Teng-teng di seping, itu kita jadi sularan, itu kita jadi susir, pentau yang kasap katalan. Marhangi don kajungi don kasatan syat marwai bantem manilekai man le kino mino ikam ba berbertai le alam kasatangi dari bangun nangi ngilong
Ane kaya kemana kamana kalau bagi nom ikan rat jong kecil hakwa kita kemana kamana.
On the night of September 28th, 2024, wild elephants once again wreaked havoc on farms and homes in the Ranikor area, damaging crops including pineapples and bananas and destroying one house. The Ranikor Area Farmers Association, RAFA, represented by Michael Lingdo and Kermenki Raja, expressed frustration over ongoing issues with the Wildlife Authority and local government, stating that complaints have led only to unfulfilled promises. Despite multiple visits from the Wildlife Department, no effective assistance has been provided to the farmers. Last year, RAFA contemplated drastic measures including culling the elephants, but was persuaded by wildlife authorities to refrain. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma emphasized the need for coexistence between humans and wildlife. prompting Rafa to invite him to Ranikor. They hope a first-hand encounter with the elephants will illustrate the challenges farmers face each season and spur more effective government action to protect their livelihoods.
Ni naka liang jong ka Rankor Area Farmers Association ni don ha kini kejaka ko menta ba sila ban im ba kini ti kawan ban penjot biang ya ki kisem jong ki norep jong ni kadong kathany Ranikor kum juru ya ki marep ki wan penjot biang ha kini ka tayo ko menta ni penpau ba ni dap da kejing sifsi kum norep namar ba nakapor sakapor kini ki hati ki sajuan pendik sajuan penjot ya ki kisem ya ki marep ki jongi ki nongrap lambut sin bila lejut ha kita bor ki badik mi kunjur ha kaliang jong kesorka Henry naduk ki snem ki bal lenyo kumba pidi jui nakapor sakapor ba kajing lejut kajongi kebut kam siso bat kam trikam ai ngila persiang banyak keren ban wan be no ru ia kini ki hati klau ki basajuan penjot ia ki marep ki jongi ia ki kisem jong ki para norep Henry nak kaliang kibor beri kami hadu mentaru kam sem la sesok hak ni snem ke belai nak ngilio ya ka jingkular ba kinu ki marep lani kinong rep ki besi penjot ya ki marep ya ki kisem ba nak kaliang kibor beri kami ki kloi banerap nak menta kita ki bari syakta ya ki marep lani ki kisem Henry hadu menta ngala banong ba om padon wat weru nong rep ubal syakta hak ni snem hak ni sngi bala lejno ba uyo kita kejing arab bat ngila among ba kane kejing kular kai jong kita ki bor badik mi lane kata ka sorkar kemut kai sukular tok ya ki nong rep kejongi Henry haduk menta kam siam la seso nak menta kejongi ki nong rep ngila pen pau ba hang ni menta ki nong rep ki sahi tang hak kejing jau umat hadu ba ya ki marap ki ba de ben yo khet yu so kejing tre system kejongki Henry asya penjat na.
In a bid to enhance road safety awareness, the Ultimate Legend Bikers Association, Tulba, in collaboration with the East Khasi Hills District Superintendent of Police, organized a rally on September 30th, 2024. The event commenced at Maoyong ISBT and concluded at Police Bazaar. The rally aimed to encourage drivers, including two-wheeler riders, to adhere to traffic rules and remind pedestrians to exercise caution when crossing roads. A short meeting followed the rally, featuring speakers such as Baroni Walang, Additional Deputy Commissioner, and Inspector STP Das Gupta. Participants included Tulba officials, riders, and NCC and NSS students from Lady Keane College who contributed to the educational program. Brochures were distributed to drivers highlighting essential road safety rules to prevent accidents and traffic congestion.
When traffic gives us to stop the vehicle, nobody follow. Too many people follow the signal. Too many people avoid the traffic signal also. First signal is that. Second is this one. Backward. When you wanted to turn from the left side to right turn or left turn to stop that time. That is the left signal. Left signal. and that is both front side and back side to stop the vehicle. In Dhankiri point, both the signal is both sides are stopped. When coming from the donbosco towards Dhankiri, that time use this type of signal. And from Lordo to going towards the fast gate, that can use this type of signal. So everybody follow the signal when give the traffic personnel give the signal. When we call the traffic from the donbosco towards Malki, that time we give this type of signal. This type of signal. And from lower two towards fast gate and fast gate towards lower two, that time we give this type of signal. Because donbosco and Malki side to be stopped that time.
Below rider also. But when we can, you might be feeling bad. Rider is riding the vehicle, why you are taking fine? Fine is nowadays very maximum. 2019 there is a lot of amendment. Our Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari has given, and because of that some accident has declined also. That also you have to appreciate. Now, sir was talking about the insurance and all. I have to also give the some points. There are two types of insurance. One is first party, another is third party. There is no second party insurance. First party insurance means if anything happens to you, if you are sustained injury, if third person sustained injury, if your driver sustained injury, you are covered by the insurance party. Because nowadays, and the third party insurance here, only your damage of the vehicles you will be not getting, but the third person to whom you hit, the victim person will be getting from your insurance. Otherwise, there is a motor accident table and claim. Their members is there in the DC office. There are sub-inspectors who is taking up the case. The police officer who is taking up the case, he must have to 24 hours have to file all this form and have to claim. And if you are not having insurance, you might have to sell your land, you may have to sell your gold, you may have to sell your property to fulfill the victim's demand, how much he is living, as per the condition, as per the personality of that particular person. You got my point? So insurance is must for your own benefit. Let it be first party insurance or third party insurance. If you want your compensation for your damage of the vehicle and when the general vehicle is new, then first party insurance is very much mandatory. But when you become just very old, there is no use of getting the repairing or damage of the vehicle, you pay for it. But insurance is must. We are all over, pollution vehicles are there, pollution we should have, most of the vehicles we are not getting pollution separated. The moment you are crossing 1 year, everyone is catching, nowadays we are also catching only. Now I just want to say, just see the fast signboard.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.